Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So today is the 6th part of my poured silver stack series. This will be the final part of showcasing this whole box, and that is because these are the final 3 pieces that are in this box. Now I have actually got another one of these boxes to showcase. I think the other box has only got 5 or 6 pieces in, but they are really cool pieces, and you'll see the reasons why there's less pieces in the other box when I start revealing those. But let's finish this box up today. Really looking forward to showing you these final 3 pieces. I've made sure that there's something in here for KYH, because KYH likes a different kind of silver. He likes his more kind of antique collector side of silver. So I've made sure that there's a special piece in here that KYH I think is going to really appreciate. So let's get straight into it. We're going to reveal from this way. Now I'm still not going to take off the whole cover, even though we've gone through pretty much everything, because I do want to do a grand reveal video once I've finished this series, showcasing absolutely everything I've got in my poured collection in one go. And that will be to enter the Bits and Bobs / TSC's Stackers Showdown series that they are hosting. They are hosting it on Stacker Social, so everyone's going to be uploading videos and pictures of their stacks, and people are going to be voting who has got the best stack. For a little bit of fun, they're going to be breaking it down into different categories, so please head over to Stacker Social if you're interested. It's not just available for content creators to enter. Even if you're a viewer or a subscriber, you can still get involved. Just join Stacker Social. Link is in today's video description. It's a Discord group, and you just literally need to film a small video of your stack. You can upload it to YouTube, make the video private, and then post the link in Stacker Social, and everyone's going to have a vote and decide who's got the best looking stack. So yeah, really cool, fun competition going on there. But let's draw out these final 3 pieces. Now the final 3 pieces is the bit for KYH, this very cool ring, and then this bar that you saw on a previous video. So let's put that back. And like I said, although this box is done, we still have one more box to go through before my full poured silver stack series is done. And then I will release, like I said, a final video showcasing everything in one hit. We'll probably have a nice glass of whiskey on the go, and we'll do sort of a 30-40 minute long video of going through all the pieces in one go. Let's just zoom in quickly and lock the focus for a few seconds while I adjust everything. Right, okay, so there is really something for everyone in this video. Let's start with the piece that I pulled out for KYH. Now this is actually a silver thimble. I'm not sure of the purity. I don't think it will be 3/9 fine, because that might be a little bit soft for a thimble. It might be sterling silver, which is 92.50%. I'll let that focus for a little bit on the hallmarks so that KYH has time to identify this piece for us and let us know in the comment section. I will pin KYH's comment once he has chance to look into this piece and get back to us and let us know a little bit more detail on it. But yeah, really cool piece. Like I said, I believe it would be sterling silver, and it's an old fashioned thimble. I really like the finish on it. It's almost got a bit of a, well, I'd say hammered finish, but it's more of a patterned finish. Just a really nice looking piece. This was picked up from eBay, and I saw it when I was searching for different silver pieces, and straight away I thought of KYH, and I thought he would appreciate something like this. I haven't really got anything like this in my stack up till now, but I picked it up and I thought it'd be quite cool to add it in as part of my poured stack. Although it's not really a poured piece, it's still a fun little piece. So we'll pop that over there. Now the next piece we'll do is this piece. Now this is the piece that was showcased at the beginning of this series on a separate video. Absolutely stunning piece. It's got like 4 levels to it. You've got the main background, then you've got 1 level there, then you've got another level there, then another level there, then another level there. So it's really got so much level of detail. Really high relief piece. This was poured by MK Bars, which is a US pourer. 3/9 fine silver. Just the back of this looks nice as well. It looks like a nice slab of silver, nicely smoothed and finished. Really nice thickness. I can't remember the weight of this. Maybe it's 2 ounces. But I know there was a number of people when I first showcased this piece that said they went out and they brought themselves one as well because they liked it so much. But yeah, absolutely stunning piece of silver. Really, really nice. It almost looks like a picture frame. This is something you could have up on the wall if it was like, say, 20 times bigger. You'd have to have a strong wall to hold it. But yeah, it really looks like a picture frame. Maybe a picture frame for a doll's house. But yeah, absolutely stunning piece. And again, please let me know in the comment section of today's video, what is your favourite piece out of these three that I'm showcasing today? Moving on to the last piece. Now this is actually a ring made from a 1 ounce Britannia. Really, really cool piece. Now I didn't buy this to wear, so I actually brought the largest size possible, which I believe was a Z plus. So if I put it onto my finger, you can see it is way too big for me to wear. But the reason I went for the biggest size is because I thought I'd get the most detail out of it. If I pick the size that I actually am, then I wouldn't have got as much detail, I don't believe, because it would be more compact. So I knew this wasn't going to be a ring that I'd be wearing. I knew it was going to be just a showpiece on my channel. So that is why I picked the biggest size that they did. And I just think it's really, really incredible. I've actually seen American Silver Eagles versions of these, but I've never seen a Britannia version up till now. Really, really incredible. If you look on the inside, you've got all the detail on there. You look on the outside. Britannia 2024, 1 ounce, 3/9 fine silver. Absolutely incredible. What an absolute work of art. I've actually watched videos on YouTube of how these things are made, and the amount of work that goes into them is absolutely insane. You've got a reeded edge here as well. Absolutely incredible. Look at that. Really, really stunning piece. And like I said, up till now, I hadn't actually seen a Britannia version of these. I'd only seen the American Silver Eagle versions, and they look incredible as well. So yeah, really, really stunning piece. Something a little bit different for the collection. Something that many of you might have not seen before. Really, really cool. Nice bit of weight. Obviously, it weighs 1 ounce of silver. It'd be interesting to actually weigh this, really, and see if there's any silver lost in this process, or if it's actually the full ounce is used. But yeah, really, really cool piece. So as always, let me know in the comment section, what is your favourite piece out of these three? I'll be interested to hear. Some very different pieces there. We've kind of veered away a little bit from the poured side of things on the last video. We've got this piece here. That is a poured piece. And then we've got two very, very different and unique pieces. So as always, thanks very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching this series along. Like I said, I have actually got another box to go through, but that will be done in one video. I won't be going into the box and taking out individual pieces. That will be all revealed in one hit, and you'll see why when I upload that video very, very soon. But like I said, thanks very much for watching. Thank you very much for all the support, and I hope you all have a very nice day.